You cried all day. Now you are now a man. And Maryam, these are the number of children we are going to have for us. Maybe, no, I think about 7. Maybe you start with twins. Then in couple. You are going to have a very peaceful home. And God subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to be with you. Nobody will ever come between the two of you. And you know, it's his father's junior. As the father loves the mother, that is how Musa is going to love you. So, Musa, I put your hand on the knife. Musa, you shall be the head of your family. You will never be the tail. Maryam, you are married today and you are married forever. Maryam, put your hand on Musa's hand. And the love that joined both of you. We are going to spread the word love. And at the cut of it, at the count of love, then you cut this beautiful edifice.
Okay, I'm going back.
And
O, just go down. You won't take it short. Just go down. Yes.
And E.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, smiling.